Hi, this is Michelle. I'm the Executive Computer Hardware Instructor here at CellBotics. Now, we've gotten other questions on if you're a cell phone tech, how much money or how can you increase your profits if you're already repairing cell phones and tablets? Well, think about it. If you're already repairing cell phones and tablets, you've had people come in and ask you, do you fix computers as well? Or do you fix MacBooks or MacBook tablets? And with this training, you won't have to outsource your MacBooks anymore. You'll be able to fix those MacBooks in-house. All we have to make sure is you get the proper tools and the proper training. And here at CellBotics, we give you the tools and training you need so you can fix those computers. You can fix those MacBooks. The other thing is, people are asking me, well, I can fix it now. How much profit can I make? When you think about it, if you own a store, people are coming in, your average diagnostic, depending on the device, is anywhere from $50 to $99 per device. People coming into your store at foot traffic, you can diagnose 10, 12 computers a day. There you go, with a profit margin of already $500 or $600 a day. Then, what if you're a mobile tech? Well, if you're a mobile tech and you work from your home, every time you go to a client's house, there's a $50 trip charge to go and perform the diagnostics. Then there's parts that have to be ordered. You get to charge for the repair that you'll provide. Sometimes it's just a maintenance, sometimes it's more. But what about disaster recovery? That's even better. But just think, now you have the ability to fix workstations, laptops, desktops. You'll be able to service printers, and you won't have to outsource your MacBooks anymore. That's a great added value. And you know when you outsource Macs, how much money that the people that you outsource make that you're not making. So all those things considered, yes, absolutely. You could marginalize and increase your profits exponentially. All right, that's all I have for you today. Come on down. We here at CellBotics give you hands-on training and the tools that you need to succeed.